Hi again, everyone. Ryan here with the KWU Tech Training team, and I'm here to give you another lead gen tactic to thrive in the current market. Everyone knows that email is a great way to stay in touch with your database, whether it is sending an event invitation, promoting a giveaway, or just checking in. But did you know how easy it is to manage the list of people that you want to send emails out to through Command's Campaigns applet? Let's take a look at how easy it is to create an email list leveraging your database's organization and then send an email to it. I am here within the Campaigns applet of Command. That's where all the marketing magic happens and allows me to distribute my marketing collateral across a variety of platforms. But the tab that I've clicked on here is for emails in particular. Now, every single user of Command gets at minimum 5,000 free emails to send out to their database per month. This can be through anything from smart plans to email campaigns that we create right here in the Campaigns applet. Creating those campaigns and selecting a list of people you want to send it to every single time can be tedious. So using Command's email list will allow you to save a specific distribution list that you can then leverage for all of your email campaigns going forward. And it's super easy to create. So within the email campaigns tab here, I'm going to click on the button that says email lists right here on the right of my screen. And that's going to take me into a space where I can create and save as many lists as I need to organize who I'm sending my email campaigns out to. Creating a new list is really just as simple as clicking the Create List button here in the top right. We'll name our list and adding contacts to it from our database. I can search my database by name. I can also search them specifically by email, or if I've utilized tags to really label and segment my database to group them by those shared likenesses, I can leverage that organization right here within the email list creator. So if I want to see every person in my database who has the 2023 tag, all I need to do is select that from the list here. And Command will show me just those individuals that have that tag on their contact record. I can select all, or I can pick them out individually. And once I've gotten the individuals that I want on this email list, I can click Confirm to create the list and utilize it in my email campaigns going forward. And it's really just that simple. Now you're going to have a specific list that will allow you to operate with intention when it comes to who you're sending your communication out to. Don't just blast everyone you know email box at once. You want to be communicating in a way that is valuable to your clients and that's going to keep them looking forward to more communication that you send in the future. Email lists are a great way to do that and a very easy way to leverage the organization of your database in Command. And that's all there is to it. So now all you need to do is implement this for yourself. Create an email list, and then we'll take a look at how easy it is to utilize that for the creation of your email campaigns in another video for 4 proven lead gen tactics to thrive in the current market. See you soon.